Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've built the life of your dreams. Financial freedom, happiness, and success all within your grasp. Sounds incredible, right? But here's the truth. That future won't just happen by accident. It's something you have to design, work for, and claim as your own. If you want a bright future, you need to take action today. And the best time to start? Right now. First and foremost, to get a brighter future, one has to create a clear vision of where they would be in the next 5 or 10 years. Most people in life drift about without any purpose, and that is why they fail. How would you imagine driving a car without knowing its destination? Well, you'd waste your time, energy, and fuel. Create a vision board, put down your goals, and picture your success day by day. Clarity is power, and the more precise you are about your future, the more likely you are to achieve it. But a dream is not sufficient. You require a plan. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Break your long-term goals into small, actionable steps. Want to be financially free? Start saving, investing, and learning about wealth management today. Want to be in great shape? Set up a workout routine and stick to it. Success is built on consistent small actions that compound over time. Discipline acts as a bridge from dreams to reality. All world success does not necessarily go through the most talented human beings, but rather through the most disciplined ones. It is very easy to stay in your comfort zone, while growth happens outside of it. Learn to say no to distractions and limit time-wasting habits with commitment every day. The more disciplined you are, the faster you will achieve the future you want. The third thing that will help to build a bright future is who you surround yourself with. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. People you surround with, their influence would suck energy out of you. They'd make you feel unmotivated or less driven. Contrastingly, those you connect with who are ambitious and driven would inspire you to push further. Choose your circle wisely because people around you control your thoughts, habits, and ultimately, your future. Learning never stops, and the more you know, the more doors open up for you. Read books, take courses, attend seminars, and master new things. In today's digital world, information is readily accessible. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become in the marketplace, and value attracts success. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you think you can do something, you will. But if you think you cannot, you will not. Train your mind to think positively, embrace challenges, and see failures as stepping stones rather than roadblocks. Every successful person has failed at some point, but they didn't let failure define them. They learned, adapted, and kept moving forward. Another important factor to build a bright future is resilience. Life will throw obstacles your way. There will be setbacks, disappointments, and unexpected challenges. But what defines you is not what happens to you, it's how you respond. Develop a mindset of resilience. Instead of seeing problems as the end, see them as opportunities to grow stronger. The ability to bounce back is what separates those who succeed from those who give up. Take care of your health. Health is very important for pursuing dreams. Success does not have meaning without health. Regular exercise, healthy food, proper sleep, and stress management can make all the difference. A strong body feeds a strong mind. When you feel good about yourself and your body, you are more productive, motivated, and confident. You will be able to reach your goals faster. Financial independence is one of the significant aspects of securing a bright future. Most people live paycheck to paycheck because they do not learn how to manage money. Begin with budgeting, saving, and avoiding unnecessary debt. Learn about investments, passive income, and financial planning. The sooner you take control of your finances, the more freedom you will have to pursue your passions and live life on your terms. Another thing is adaptability. This is because changes are at its peak, and all who resist change are left behind. Stay open to new ideas, technologies, and ways of thinking. The most successful people are those who are evolving steadily and embracing innovation. Be a lifelong learner, stay curious, and never stop growing. Helping others also contributes to your future. Giving back, whether through mentorship, charity, or simple acts of kindness, creates positive energy around you. People remember those who help them, and opportunities often come from the goodwill you spread. Success is not just about personal gain, it's about making a difference in the lives of others. Finally, take action. So many people waste their lives waiting, to wait for the right opportunity, the right time, or the right conditions. The thing is, there is never a good time. If you want to have a great future, you should begin now. Do something small, stick to it, and never allow fear to be the ruler. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Your future is in your hands. The choices you make today will determine where you stand tomorrow. Stay focused, stay hungry, and keep pushing forward. Success is not reserved for the lucky. It's for those who are willing to work for it. Make today the day you commit to building the future you deserve. Your brighter tomorrow starts now.